Let her rip. Love it. You know, I was hoping I was going to get out of that rain. That's all I ever moan about is rain. Rain, rain, rain. It's very windy though, so it should just blow over. I could see it behind me, and I just pretty much rode into it. So I've had to put the baffle back in the bike. I've took the catalytic converter off. Because apparently, and I didn't know this, but apparently it helps it flow better or breathe better. It also stops the bike getting hotter, because I think with the cat on it, it pulls pressure back, so it could be completely off the mark here, but it pulls the pressure back, so it doesn't let the engine breathe, which in turn makes it get hotter, run hotter. And here it comes. So I've got my microphone inside the helmet today. I've not got the lav mic in because I was thinking it was going to rain, and obviously that's not waterproof, so I'm on the wireless mic. So I'm hoping it's alright. I'm hoping it's set alright. So I don't know what the plan is. Just having a bit of a ride round. Just need to get through this traffic first though, which won't be long. I'll be soon up onto the tops, and then we'll see, we'll take it from there, shall we? But yeah, it's weird because when we live in this country, you know, there's a lot of bikers look out the window and think, oh, it's going to rain, I'm not going out on the bike, it's going to rain. But the thing is, if you don't go out on the bike in the rain, you don't really get many riding days. Now, we've just had a good full season where it's been absolutely red hot. It's been perfect weather. It is starting to get into autumn now, so we are getting wind and rain and things like that. Nothing too spectacular, but I've not even put my Gore-Tex on. I've got my Gore-Tex gloves on, but my jacket is showerproof. I've got my Alpine Star jacket on, which has got like a waterproof inner, but I've just got normal biking jeans on, so if I get wet, I get wet, but I'm not that far away from home anyway. But yeah, we just tend to leave it, don't we? We just tend to wait, sit and twiddle his thumbs and keep looking at, is it going to rain, is it going to rain? I've never checked the weather app so much in my life since buying a bike. And I must have about 10 weather apps, because what I do is, you're probably the same way. You look at one and then you think, oh, I'll check another, then check another, then check another, and you sort of strike an average, don't you? And then the weather just does something completely different anyway. But you still do the same routine. Just give you a wipe. So yeah, I just find it funny how we just wait and wait and wait, and you just think you just got to remember, this is England, and the weather's so unpredictable, and you've just got to go out. And I think that's my mindset now. It's just like, if it's absolutely chucking it down and grim and stuff like that, you know, then no. But if it just looks like things are just going to blow over, or you're going somewhere, then you've just got to go, haven't you? You've just got to suck it up. Still need to sort the garage out. I've got some bits of work I'm doing in there where I'm partitioning it off so I can have like a bit of a YouTube space, and the other side for the garage, because we don't really use it for much more than storage. A lot of the storage is up in the rafters as well, so just put 2 boards up, making a bit of a partition wall, and then just got like a seating area and a bit of a desk. So Where do we want to go? Where do we want to go? Come on, Jay. Let's go up here. I sort of know where these lanes lead, but I don't really know where I am, if that makes sense to anybody. Oh, well, that's somebody's house. Oh, this is it. Oh, let's go up here. I know where I am. Oh. Oh, bloody hell, them rocks. I feel like I'm leaning too far forward on this. I think the bars could do with lifting up a little bit. Bench there. I feel like I'm gripping too hard on the bars. Got a funny feeling that massive puddle down here is going to be full of water, and I don't actually fancy going through it, to be fair. Oh no, it's not too bad. That's not bad at all. Can you remember that big one? That's there. Just wanted to go up here, because I've not been up here for a while. But yeah, not a bit sketchy then. There we go. It's probably not a good idea, this, you know. It's going to turn it round. What are you doing? Like a massive drop there. Come on here, bugger. Oh, I made hard work of that. And we have rain. yeah, there was like a, you can see it there, look, it's like a big drop. I thought if I come off that at an angle, it's just going to fall over on its side. And even though the bike's quite small, it's quite heavy. Right, let's have a couple of minutes here. Not bothered about the rain. What a spot. Look at the rainbow. Don't know if you can see that. But yeah, beautiful. See you in a bit. Look at that there. The wind's just come in. Look at the rain. It's that hailstone. That horse has just come down here. Lovely horse. Straight into the wind though. Right, let's get a shifty on. Go away from this cloud. It's amazing, isn't it? Just like this high up, you see, there was a break in the cloud there. As you can see that blue there, but yeah, it's just blowing across. It's like a storm. Seems to be a thing now, doesn't it? Getting caught in the rain.